All right, Kristen, thank you. Well, do homeless people have the right to camp out in cities like Pittsburgh?
Over the objections of advocates for the homeless, the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled cities can enforce no camping laws, even take down tent encampments, even if there's no offer of alternative shelter or housing. KDKA lead investigator Andy Sheehan looks at what impact, if any, the decision will have here.
It's the largest encampment in the city, but these tents will stay here despite a U.S. Supreme Court decision saying cities have the power to remove them. If you live or work downtown, chances are you've never seen this sprawling encampment of 35 tents tucked behind the county jail. But if you ride or run along the Eliza Furnace Trail, you can't miss it.
It's getting ridiculous. You know, we have our 2 kids, and I don't really want to even take them past it. They're definitely encroaching on the trail.
Yeah.
And, you know, it's definitely unclean. It's a little scary.
For the past 4 years, encampments like it have sprung up in various parts of downtown and on both the north and south sides. But even though this is perhaps the biggest one yet, the city has no plans to decommission it or take it down, despite last week's U.S. Supreme Court decision saying cities have the power to do so.
We have to be strategic about how any encampment, if we close it, where will those people end up? Where will they go? Because we don't have enough places to put them.
In a decision homeless advocates say criminalizes being poor, the Supreme Court has ruled that cities can enforce bans on camping, even if there isn't a sufficient number of shelter beds to offer those living in encampments. Public Safety Director Lee Schmidt says the city's policy will stay in effect. The encampments will remain until it can make each resident a credible offer of shelter.
Obviously, with 2nd Avenue Commons and the fire that occurred there, that's complicated the issue even more. So we have to try to work with people where they are and continue that process.
These tents are in violation of city guidelines requiring they be 6 feet back from a public right-of-way. But unlike other encampments, the city said this one has not been the site of rampant open-air drug use or fights. Police often patrol it, and both the city's Roots team and the Public Works Department have staged cleanups, though that hasn't assuaged all the concerns.
I don't know what the solution is. I think that Pittsburgh has a lot of vacant space, and somewhere right next to something that Pittsburgh has done really well with the creation of these trails is not the spot that they should be allowed.
We understand it can be frustrating for some folks and others feel unsafe, but we will do our best to continue to work with everyone involved to come up with solutions that are realistic and that don't just move the problem around.
Now, the city and county have a committee which reviews conditions at the encampments, deciding which ones would be taken down. It has decided that this one will stay for the foreseeable future. Reporting on the Eliza Furnace Trail, Andy Sheehan, KDKA-TV News.